How are you today?
Excellent.
Oh, somebody had to fail.
Nothing on the bar.
What about on the floor?
Nope.
I want you to see the felt under where Matt always sits. On the floor. And what he brings to the bar. Do you see all that? That's nothing the smart mop won't take care of. Right there, Mr. As seen on TV. Okay, suck my weenus.
Follow mine.
Matt is bartending for no apparent reason.
Oh, hey, dude, what are you trying to do? Take me home? I am taking you home. Yeah. He's trying to get me drunk.
He wants to.
He's complaining that Jay's bar's drinks are too strong.
Who's complaining?
That man! What's up?
You can't possibly be complaining about too strong drinks at Jay's bar. I didn't think so. Well, what else is new?
You guys even act like a married couple. You guys complain. They complain about each other.
Yeah.
They fight. They bicker. And Matt and I actually more lovey-dovey.
Just like a marriage, it's sexy, so I guess it's alright.
He goes to me for the sex.
Look at this. There's no fucking ice in that shit.
No.
That's insanity.
What's
I'm not even that stupid.
Wow. That's a good drink right there. Ooh, that is a good drink right there. What, that's stupid?
Well, no, it's not stupid. In the same way that Optimal Line isn't stupid fast.
Okay, if you guys were...
Tell me how that tastes.
Would you be the wife or would he be the wife?
Well, he's got that mix with Malibu rum, coconut
He's a
rum.
little bit of a wife because, especially when you get him in bed, he only
So I got that much out of it.
Come on. He'd be the catcher. I'm sure he would.
He's more verbal than I am.
Demonstrated that.
That's about what I said, but I didn't verbalize it. With vodka in there, it's like not really good. Oh, it's got that like Hershey Squirts color to it.
Ice?
Yeah, I can get ice.
Ice.
He's taking over Jay's bar, and he's asking for ice. So now, I gotta fucking come all the way in here. I'll even put the light on, watch. See that? Yeah. We're gonna come in here. We're gonna go, you've never seen the freezer before. Wow, all kinds of fail stuff in here, right? The paper bag with ice. Get a couple of cubes. Close that. And come, that's, yeah, it's going to be a problem a little bit.
Bacon dude. That's awesome.
Dude, I had cheddar bacon combos today.
Not over the keyboard. What are you, an asshole?
Yes. You have to ask that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, at least he didn't fail on that. Good.
You would have.
Okay, now, wait. It's on your side of the, get out of the bar. And go back where you fucking belong. Yeah. All right.
I don't take kindly to... You're a dick.
You really...
Sorry.
I don't know, if it only comes out when I'm drinking, I don't really care. My mom would just like have
Yeah, that's actually kind of awesome. Justin looks like he got fucking sunburned, but only because he started drinking. And this is his first drink. And Matt, look at what a failed bartender you're. You didn't even give the guy a coaster. Well, at least it's wax, so it went over there. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of pretty cool because now you got that, you know, with going on. So yeah. All right, so.
I don't know if no one noticed.
Touch yourself in April.
Until recently, or if I.
Okay.
If it just started doing this.
Yeah, I think you might. It looks.
We're
like
gonna watch the video.
Portion of this, so you might have like rosacea.
Probably.
How can you get tested for rosacea?
Yep, that's the one. This is from 2 months ago, 2 and change months ago.
You're the first person.
Here we go. Alright, so now, Joe is officially intoxicated. Are you intoxicated? Yeah!
Oh god.
Joe's officially intoxicated.
Yeah, that's where that picture comes from. Are you intoxicated? He's like,
I love what I say here about the rum.
and his girlfriend lady's like,
Yeah, she was there in the car with him.
Like, shit, I hate when he gets drunk all the time.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Another one of them.
Nobody really got along.
What made me?
I didn't really talk to her.
So I love what I say here. Watch what Joe does. Watch.
So he's not drinking iced tea, for the record.
He's drinking iced tea.
Alcohol content. Hey, on the top roll, I'm drinking Coke. And it looks like Coke, so I'm drinking Coke. It happens to be Diet Coke, but it's not my fault that it has rum in it. It should probably be there.
That's cool. Having a good time. Yep.
Bill
So.
Clinton had rosacea.
No, that's because he just turned red when he was lying. Bush didn't have that problem, but you always knew when he was lying. He's drinking Coke, but it's not actually Coke. It's more like ginger ale. Yep, ginger ale from ShopRite.
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
Ginger. So they're out having a cigarette out there, you know, otherwise known.
Reach around.
What's that?
Said otherwise known as a reach around.
A reach around?
I don't think they
Well,
reach around each other. They're kind of,
well, that depends. You know, a reach around cigarette is like when you do the old what was it, Androdite's play routine where you you know, go one of those. That's a reach around from what I remember it. But you people are more of that, you know, new wave going on kind of thing. Oh, that kind of reach. Oh, you're reaching around the lens like that, yeah.
no, but I don't think they could reach around. They're both very rotund individuals.
You said rotund.
Well, he said it first.
There might be like an equator reach around.
Okay, this is gonna take a while.
Equatorial.
Whoa.
Editorial.
Jerking you off.
So what are we talking about now?
I don't know where you're at.
You're talking about being a ginger kid, weren't you?
That is correct. I'm just saying, down here on your camera, I look more ginger than normal. And the other thing is, I think they have a name for my type of ginger.
Daywalkers.
That's the one. The ones without freckles.
What was it?
They call them daywalkers.
It's been a while since I could say that I wasn't addicted. It's been a while since I could say I lost myself as well. It's been a while since I've gone and fucked things up just like I get some high notes there. That's awesome.
I didn't.
That shit seems to disappear when I'm with you. When everything I can't remember. He's just hanging out in the corner there. It all makes sense. Just make this go away. Just one more thing for the day. It's been a while since I could look at myself straight. But it's been a while since I've said sorry. It's been a while since I've seen the way the candles light your face. It's been a while, but I can still remember just the way you taste. Everything I can't remember. Holy! It's such a bad thing, orange dream. I don't know who that is. It's not for me. That's been the best he could for me. Yeah. It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. It's been a while since I said sorry. Indeed. Well, it's Jay's Bar After Hours. does happen typically after Jay's Bar shuts down. We're currently in Club J, and this was a rather interesting evening. We have had the same fail that we had last week. Check it out. The damn fucking bulb is out again. I guess it gets too hot, and that bulb is just a little too concocted or something. I don't know, you know. So, anyways, we just had Mr. Justin, who hasn't been here in 6 months, easily, over, and yeah. So we did it. And this is it. So Jay's Bar will be officially closed next week for Thanksgiving. Yes, it does happen, and I'm smarter than I do close on major holidays. They close on It's a mistake. It's not going to happen too much longer. Anyways, so that's it. Oh, we're getting fogged out. Yep, fog for the win. Fog for the win, yay. Alright, so, yeah, so it's the end of the night. And that's the deal. I don't know, I just couldn't get my groove on, you know? I've been all fucked up since yesterday, you know? I didn't drink nothing, something didn't agree with me, and I just haven't been the same, you know? And today, you know, we just did a light kind of thing, made tuna fish sandwiches. I made 12 sandwiches in a row. For all these fat bastards, I swear to God. Just one after the next, just keep going, God fucking damn. Holy shit, you know? But anyways, it's the end of the night, it's all over and done with, and I'm going to be going to bed soon, because I've just had it, you know? It's been a rough week. Not that rough, but rough enough, you know? And just be going to bed, that's kind of really it, yeah. So we're just, again, wasting precious gigabytes here for no reason. Everything else appears to be working except for that one damn fucking bulb up there. Fucking goddamn, you know? That guy's working again. Over there. All the other lights. And the little fountain guy. Because I bought a new one. The old one, the pump died. I tried fixing it like 4 times. And it just had it. I gotta open this thing up and see if there's a bulb out in it, you know. That's still working somehow, and all the strobes are still going there, you know, somehow, and these guys down here are still going, and all the rest of the shit's still working. The lamp that changes color, you know, and this guy. Oh, you see, you can't do that with a video, Jay. It just doesn't work, but it does have a red LED on it, so that makes up for it. And the little light bulb there, oddly enough, that actually shows up better on the camera than it does in real life. OTC IRL FTW on the camera in real life for the win? Or something? So, yeah, so we're just closing the night out. Silent lucidity. Silent enough. It's over and out, guys. We're getting fogged out again, you know. The good news is I'm almost out of the fail target fog juice, which I've been running. I had a whole jug, the big jugs down there, and under the table there. One of them was filled with target juice after I exchanged the fog machines because the wife shut it down. Remember that. The other one is filled with the real fog juice, which makes it fucking insane down here. So as soon as I'm done with that Target stuff, it should probably be, I guess, middle of December, early January, we'll start that up. Then it's going to get really, really foggy down here. And we'll see how many pictures we can't take. Alright, well that's it. Everybody have a happy Thanksgiving because we're going to be off for next week. And cool deal. Have a happy Turkey Day, everybody. And over and out. More random shit I don't need to be going on about. There's some of the other stupid shit over here. Like the a little whirly bobbin here. I call it a whirly bobbin. He's just spinning away. Again, 3 and 1 for the win. Because WD only worked for like a day. And this guy's just doing his thing, and I probably shouldn't touch this while holding the camera, so I won't, but, you know, it gets all on you there. And a little fountain guy. Let's see. Yeah. See, he's spitting out shit over here. It's all wet over there, you know. That's what he does, and then I gotta fill him up every now and again. And this thing and that, which I think has lost its red LED. Or maybe it just stopped changing colors entirely. Or maybe I did see it. I don't know now. It turned green. It was blue. Now it's turning bluish again. I'm seeing red divots in there. Is divots the right word? No. Oh, see, it went out. Because the red LED failed. That was just a reflection off of this red guy, which I don't need either, alongside that, which I had fixed. And the green laser up there. But Jay, doesn't that like go through the floor and like fuck up the house and shit? Well, the answer is no, it actually doesn't. I don't know how, but it can. With the real fog juice down here, with the real guy there and that jug, it can. And it has gone through the, oh boy. Gone through the only thing I like about this Target shit, that's ADH for the win, by the way. ADH? ADD. Yeah. Thinking about too many different things. Anyways, the only thing I like about this Target fog juice is the smell of it. Kind of reminds me of the old school clubs when you were forced to go to everybody's. Well, for those non-Jews, I'll say communion parties or sweet 16s or I don't know what you want to call it. For me, it was a bar mitzvah. What are you going to do? Anyways, they had the fake fog machines, and you know they were Jew fail, and that's what happened. So anyway, yeah, I got the music kind of shut off, but still rolling. We got the screens on still. And yeah, just hanging out, doing nothing, and it's 11 o'clock now, so I think it's probably about time for bed. I guess I'll call it a night by now. I mean, there ain't nothing else going on. I don't feel like having another beer, although we do have Schaefer, the one beer to have when you're having more than one. So, that's pretty much it. I had about 6, 7. Did I have only beer tonight? I think I only had beer tonight. Everybody else had mixed drinks. I don't know. It's been too fucked up from yesterday. Couldn't do it, so I didn't have any mixos today. I'll be sure to have one for breakfast tomorrow. It's not a breakfast beer. That's a breakfast drink and a half. So we'll do that. And, yeah. So, chooch it. All right. Take care.